here today. I'm going to go to find Linn Park Waterfall. There's a wee waterfall that's near me for the day. See if we can go and find it. It's first thing in the morning. See that? It's back at 8 now, so I'm awake. Let's go. Fresh morning today. Sun's barely out. Just walked in here and try and find this golf course. Is next to it. Try and find this waterfall. It was down here somewhere, so. Keep saying so. Anyway, the sun's behind us. It's just hazy today. It was bright as yesterday and the other 2 days. And I wonder if we'll capture anything. I've just asked somebody where the waterfall is and I'm in the right direction. Keep going down, I can hear it. So we're nearly there. See how long it takes us. Yeah, there's the waterfall. It's not in full flow now, but that's okay. That's fine. Let's see if I can get down that side right now. What about it? Maybe we'll be able to cross up there. Get some pictures for this side. There's a nice wee reflection up here. Nice wee bridge reflection. As you can see. Let's see if I can get a shot there. See down there maybe. It's no deep water anyway, so. I'll walk a bit at the now. I think that's the way out of the waterfall anyway, so. Take a couple of snaps to now and we'll see if this works out. Quite a nice morning here. I've just seen first kingfisher. He just darted right across that water. Right up this way. Obviously I've not got the big lens with me so I can't follow him. It's the first one I've ever seen. Anyway, I'm going to jump across the water, try and get a reflection for this side of that bridge. I'm going to walk across the bridge. The water looks a bit deep anyway, so that's where I need to go. Back to the bridge, then I'll cross it. Well, I've set this wee shot up here, as you can see in camera. It's too close possibly. I'll get down low to the rocks, which are in the front of the over there. There's a camera bag, just a wee camera bag. There's plenty of people walking over this bridge. That's a really wide shot for the GoPro, no GoPro, Action 4. I've got to put my polarizer on. There's a couple of ducks down there. And now I'm at f11, a 13th of a second. ISO is 200. We're going to see, I'll set the polarizer up and we'll see what we can get before we hit the waterfall. And as you can see, I'm getting a wee spirit level on. So let's see what we can get. The wee ducks are heading up towards me for some reason. Maybe get them sharp, you never know. I'll put the polarizer on. Put my polarizer on, so I need to expose for the sky now, so I need to go up the shutter speeds until I can see some detail in the sky. And this camera, all I do is press that and it takes a picture. Then I'll come back down the exposure. Take one of the bridge. Also the distance, there's a big difference when you turn the polarizer. You can see the water at the bottom there. So that looks about good there, good to go. Next, focus there. think that's us for here. The sky's looking okay. It's overcast today. A couple of ducks playing about. We'll head on down to the waterfall and see if we can get down to the waterfall. Quite a few down there, I think. So there's the scene. Nice wee quiet river. Where the kingfisher was. So we'll move down to the waterfall now. There's the waterfall where it starts. I don't know if there's a shotgun right here, but if there is, I doubt it. We'll get it in the way back maybe. I don't think there is. Trees are in the way. I take it people jump off here in the summer, maybe, if they're brave enough. I'm going to go down there, see if I can get something to down there. Possibly. I don't know if it's shallow enough to get across. It might be, because there's a wee rock sitting out there. It should be, maybe. We'll see. Here it is, the waterfall. We'll just have a wee look at it and we'll see what we can, what part we can look, something to read in. I think it's only half flown today, one side. Better than nothing. I'm trying to see if there's a shot here, as you can see on camera here. I've just got the branches surrounding the waterfall, if you like. We'll see, I don't know, in or about there maybe. That looks okay, there's a big branch sticking out at the edge there, up there. We'll see what happens with that. If I can go down a wee bit lower, I will. Maybe get it out the way of the shot. Anyway, it's a nice wee bit of root there, and that tree's still alive, clinging on. So we'll get this shot done, see how it works out, and then we'll move a bit. I've put the ND filter on, the polarising filter on as well. I'm at 30th a second at f4. I'll probably put the ISO up, so we know at f4. My first shot's turned out okay. The water's smooth now, that's what I want. So I'm going to focus at the top of the waterfall now and take the same shot. That's another 30 seconds, and we'll see how that turns out. I'll blend the two of them together in Photoshop. Maybe do a wee video with that, because the last one was just the sky, I think I done. But the place to myself, 30 seconds, F4, I'm only focusing on the rocks in front and then focusing on the waterfall. So F4 should be fine. 30 per second for the waterfall might be a bit much, but we'll see. We'll lighten it up in post-processing in Photoshop. It's milky, silky, milky. So I'm now going to take a shot, change my settings just for the waterfall. I want a 4. Back up to ISO 200. Take my shutter speed back to 4 per second. ISO needs to right up right enough. Try 800. 0.5 a second. F4 still. Focus on the waterfall. Take that picture. And that should do us for that shot. Just check that. Yep. That means the waterfall's not as milky as it was. Perfect. And I'll blend them in. Take my ISO back down. Take this ND filter off maybe. Less of another shot. You can see in camera, I'll show you. Pretty dark, but it's just a waterfall one, so that's a 5th for a 60th second. The other one's silky smooth water because of the ND filter. I'm going to move, see what else I can get. We go in there a wee bit more. That shot for there, but I think they're overhanging branches are a bit of a problem. I might just go in there a wee touch. This time I focused on the wee rock here at front, and then there's a wee rock there. So I focused on them. Put my ND filter back on. My 50th of a second, ISO is 800, F11. 2 shots. First shot is in a wee rock here, so we'll focus there. 50th of a second, ISO 800. And the next focus point is going to be the waterfall. We'll blend there to a full shot. It's 15 seconds. No, 15 seconds. So that's looking okay. Next focus point, waterfall. And we're just waiting the results. I'm going to move down, maybe try and get close there. See, because there's a rock over there that I want to get to. Shooting across this way. There we go. That's 2 shots, that's a 2 stack. Time to move. Here we are again, middle of the water. Middle of the water here. I focused first on the wee rock just in front here, the wee white one. I know there's one just about there. I don't know if that will be needed done. So my next focus point is the waterfall. ND filter still on, ISO is 800, 15 seconds. There's a duck sitting at the top of the waterfall there. I don't know if you can see him. He's wondering whether to come down or not. Don't ruin my shot, stay where you are. So middle of the water, I might be able to get close, sort of getting there. And we'll see. Let's see how that turned out. Yeah, it's working okay. If you can see. As you can see, tripod's down low in the water. So I'm going to take another shot. I'm going to focus on this wee rock here, just at the beginning. Put that off. There's a rock right there. Just doesn't want to focus on it. There it's there. But that's 3 shots for that. Just to make sure. It should be okay. Coming down. It's looking okay now. The waterfall's there, right behind me. Quiet here. There's only a couple of people. Dog walkers mainly. Joggers. Ducks. Kingfishers. There's supposed to be otters here as well. But I'm just here for the waterfall. The day anyway. So that should do for that shot. Right, so I think this is as far as it goes when it comes to crossing the river. I'm going to use these wee waterfalls here, wee rapids, as you can see on camera. I'm still at ISO 800, I moved it there. Look at that wee bit there to lead into the actual waterfall. I might need to go up a wee bit and stitch them all together. But again, we're in the middle of the water, nowhere else to go. The wee duck has decided to follow me. Where is he? Oh, he's down there. Getting in my shot now. He knows what he's doing. Anyway, I've set this one up for this wee rapid up here. I'll show you what one I've done. So there. So the wee rapid here and the big rapids. Waterfall in the background. So I focused there, now I'll focus on the waterfall. I'm at F14, 20 seconds. The ducks are shouting at me now. Shouting at its baby. It's following it about. There they go. Well, that's that shot there. So that is a 2-stack as well. ND filters on, polarising filter is on. ISO is still 800. I wouldn't worry about that. I've got de-noise nowadays. I think that's us done here, unless there's a shot on the way back there and I see something. You see, it was only a quick waterfall shot today. Before the rain and the wind comes tomorrow, Saturday apparently. But we'll see. Better get this out of the water before I drop it. My welly's on, getting wet. I think that's that, focus wise. We'll see if it turns out. I might even show you how I stack it. I think this will be the last shot for here. I've just set up a wee F14, 20 seconds. ISO still 800. Just a wee shot like that there. ND filter's still on to smooth out the water. I'll take a faster one now for the waterfall. Faster being a 5th or a 6th of a second. So we'll just move this to 5th of a second. There, and then we'll move the rest like aperture wise. ISO up a wee slightly, because we still have the ND filter on. That should do. I'll brighten it up for there. And that should be fast enough for the waterfall. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's better. It smells milky. There's plenty to play with. space for that. I think we're done here now. Let's get home.